to talk about an important concept in corporate social responsibility or CSR. Businesses don't just focus on making profit, they also have responsibilities to the society. There are different models explain CSR, and one of them is the intersecting circles model. Unlike other models, this one doesn't put responsibilities in a strict order, but instead sees them as an interconnected.
The intersecting circles of CSR challenges the traditional pyramid model, which rank responsibilities in levels. Instead of viewing responsibilities as separate steps, this model sees them as overlapping circles. The main idea is that businesses must balance four key responsibilities at the same time.
Number one, economic responsibility. The company must make a profit to survive. Number two, legal responsibility. It must follow laws and regulations. Number three, ethical responsibility. It should do what is morally right even if the law doesn't require it. Number four, philanthropic responsibility. It can give back to the community through donation and social programs.
In this model, these responsibilities are not separate but connected. They affect each other, meaning a company can work on multiple responsibilities at once. For example, imagine a company that produces eco-friendly products. It makes profit, economic follows, environmental laws, legal ensure fair treatment of workers, ethical, and donate parts of its earning charity, philanthropic at all the same time.
The intersecting circles model has both strengths and weaknesses. Strength. It shows a realistic approach recognizing that companies handle multiple responsibilities at once. This model encourages businesses to be responsible in all areas, not just focus on profits. Weakness. It doesn't provide clear guidance on what to prioritize when conflicts arise. For example, if a company must choose between higher profits or better wage for workers, this model doesn't tell us what should come first.